Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-Sportline in Atlanta, and I'm happy to share this Model Y Overland build we just completed for a customer. Now, this customer likes to use his Model Y off-road, overlanding, doing some camping, and he came to us for the Overland package. I'm going to walk through everything we've done and put on his vehicle. Let's start with the wheels and tires first. He downsized to our 18-inch. This is a TS5. Finished in satin bronze. It's a new color for us. Love to know what you guys think of it. I think it looks amazing with the blue. And we've got the Falcon Wild Peak tires. This is going to give max curb protection. It's going to be the softest ride we offer. And of course, for overlanding or off-road, best traction. That's step one. Next, we've got the 2-inch T-Sportline lift kit. That's a bolt-on lift kit in the front and in the back. Picks up the Tesla 2 inches, gives you a little bit of extra ground clearance. Perfect for off-road. Now underneath, let's talk about protection. We've got skid plates, T-Sportline skid plates in the front and in the rear, and he also opted for our optional coolant skid plate guards that go up front and cover the Tesla coolant, the coolant lines that go to the battery. Then finally in the front, we've got our bull bar or a brush guard. That's another bolt-on up front, and that's going to give him some protection as he's driving through tall weeds, little brush and things like that. Cool addition up there. Car looks amazing. He's ready and excited about the next adventure. So thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and come back soon. We've got a lot more Model Y content and products coming your way. Thanks everybody.